Want to know how to fix Wi-Fi connection error in Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application, and once you have done that, make sure you check if your connection issue is real or it's a server issue. Sometimes it could be an external or server issue as well. So if it's actually a Wi-Fi connection issue, just simply hold on to your Wi-Fi, change your Wi-Fi network, change it to data, or just restart it once. That will help. Or you can just simply restart your phone itself. And if that still doesn't work, just head towards its app icon, that's app settings, and on the bottom right side of it, you should be seeing clear data. Just simply select clear cache, set OK, and then your cache should be cleared, and any problem that has should work. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.